The Olympic Games, a spectacle like no other. Every 2 years the world unites, athletes compete, dreams are realized, nations celebrate. It's a testament to human potential, to athletic excellence. But the Games are more than just competition. They are a symbol of hope, a bridge between cultures. The Olympic Games are a journey through time. For a few weeks the world forgets its differences. We marvel at incredible feats of strength and skill. We witness the human spirit triumph. From ancient origins to the modern era, the Olympic Games have captivated us. Join us as we explore their history and legacy. Our journey begins in ancient Greece, a land of myths, legends, and unparalleled achievements. The year is 776 BC, a time when the world was vastly different from what we know today, the place Olympia. Here, amidst the serene landscapes and sacred grounds, the first Olympic Games were held, marking the dawn of a tradition that would echo through the ages. Imagine a simpler time. No roaring crowds or massive stadiums. Instead, the air was filled with the sounds of nature, the rustling of leaves and the distant murmur of a river. Instead, athletes competed in a sacred valley, a place where the divine and the mortal met. They honored Zeus, the king of the gods. With every stride, every throw, and every leap, the statue of Zeus stood tall, a reminder of the divine presence that watched over the games. It was not just a competition, it was a sacred duty, a way to connect with the gods. The ancient games were more than just athletic contests. They were religious festivals, a time when the entire Greek world paused to honor the gods and celebrate human potential, a time for peace. A truce was declared throughout Greece, ensuring that no matter the conflicts or disputes, the games would proceed without interruption. Wars were put on hold, enemies laid down their arms, and for a brief period the spirit of unity and peace prevailed. People from all over the Greek world came together, from the bustling city-states to the quiet countryside. They traveled to Olympia, united by a common purpose. They celebrated their shared heritage, their common roots, and the values that defined them as a civilization. It was a time of joy, camaraderie, and mutual respect. For over 1,000 years, the Games continued, evolving and growing, yet always staying true to their original spirit. Athletes competed in running, wrestling, and chariot racing. Each event was a test of strength, skill, and endurance, pushing the competitors to their limits. Victors were treated as heroes. They received olive wreaths, symbols of their triumph, and accolades that resonated far beyond the Games. Their names were etched into history, their deeds recounted in tales and songs. The fame they achieved echoed through generations, inspiring countless others. The ancient Olympics were a testament to the Greek ideals of physical prowess, competition, and the pursuit of excellence. They embodied the spirit of arete, the relentless quest for personal and communal perfection. But their light eventually faded. The world changed, and the ancient games became a distant memory, their echoes lingering in the ruins and the stories passed down through the ages. Centuries passed. The echoes of the ancient Olympic Games faded into the annals of history. The once vibrant arenas and bustling stadiums fell silent, their grandeur reduced to mere ruins. The Olympic Games were forgotten, buried under the sands of time, their significance lost to the ages. The spirit of competition and unity that once thrived was but a distant memory. Then, in the 19th century, a Frenchman had a vision. Amidst a world undergoing rapid change and modernization, he saw an opportunity to revive the ancient tradition. His name was Pierre de Coubertin. A man of great passion and foresight, Coubertin was deeply inspired by the ideals of the ancient Greeks. He believed in the power of sport to bring people together, to foster peace and mutual respect among nations. Sport, he thought, could be a universal language. He dreamed of reviving the Olympics. Coubertin's vision was ambitious, aiming not just to recreate the Games, but to adapt them to the modern world. He wanted to create a global event, one that would transcend borders and cultures, uniting athletes from all corners of the earth in a grand celebration of human potential. A celebration of sport and international understanding, where competition would be fierce yet friendly, and where the spirit of camaraderie would prevail over rivalry. In 1894, his dream became reality. The International Olympic Committee was established, and plans for the first modern Olympic Games were set in motion. The first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens, Greece in 1896. It was a symbolic return to the birthplace of the Games, a nod to the ancient traditions that inspired Coubertin. It was a symbolic return to the birthplace of the Games, a powerful reminder of the enduring legacy of the ancient Olympics and their timeless values. The modern Olympics grew quickly. More countries participated, each bringing their unique cultures and traditions to the global stage. New sports were added, reflecting the evolving interests and skills of athletes worldwide. The Winter Olympics were introduced in 1924, expanding the scope of the Games to include winter sports. They showcased winter sports like skiing and ice hockey, providing a platform for athletes to demonstrate their prowess in these challenging disciplines. The Olympics became a global phenomenon, capturing the hearts and imaginations of people around the world. They became more than just a series of competitions. They became a symbol of hope, unity, and the enduring human spirit. The Olympic torch relay, introduced in 1936, further cemented the Games' status as a global event. The flame lit in Olympia, Greece, travels across continents, symbolizing the light of knowledge, life, and peace. Athletes from diverse backgrounds come together, each with their own stories of struggle, perseverance, and triumph. They embody the Olympic motto, Citius, Altius, Fortius, faster, higher, stronger. The Olympic Village becomes a melting pot of cultures where athletes live, train, and share experiences, fostering friendships that transcend national boundaries. The opening ceremony, a grand spectacle of pageantry and tradition, marks the beginning of the Games. It is a moment of pride and anticipation as the world watches in awe. The closing ceremony, equally grand, celebrates the achievements of the athletes and the spirit of the Games. It is a time of reflection and farewell until the flame is rekindled once more. The legacy of the Olympics endures, inspiring generations to strive for excellence, to push the boundaries of what is possible, and to come together in the spirit of friendship and peace. Today, the Olympic Games are a spectacle of athleticism and diversity. Over 200 nations participate. Thousands of athletes compete in a dazzling array of sports. From swimming to gymnastics, archery to basketball, the Games showcase the pinnacle of human ability. But the Olympics are more than just competition. They are rich in symbolism and tradition. The 5 Olympic rings represent the 5 continents united in sport. The Olympic flame, kindled in Olympia, is a symbol of peace and continuity. The opening and closing ceremonies are breathtaking displays of culture and artistry. The Olympics have always been a platform for progress. They are more than just a series of competitions. They are a global stage where humanity's best qualities are showcased. Athletes from all corners of the world come together, transcending borders and cultures, to celebrate excellence, unity, and the spirit of competition. They've pushed boundaries and challenged norms. Every race, every event is a testament to human potential and the relentless pursuit of greatness. The athletes' dedication and hard work inspire millions, proving that with determination, anything is possible. One of the most significant changes has been the rise of women in sports. Women have fought tirelessly for their place in the Olympic arena, and their achievements have been nothing short of extraordinary. Their presence has enriched the Games, bringing new levels of competition and camaraderie. In the early Games, women were excluded. The first modern Olympics in 1896 did not allow female athletes to compete, reflecting the societal norms of the time. However, this exclusion only fueled the determination of women to break through these barriers. Today, they compete in nearly every sport. From track and field to gymnastics, from swimming to soccer, women have proven their prowess and have become role models for future generations. Their stories of perseverance and triumph continue to inspire. The Paralympics, founded in 1960, are another testament to inclusivity. These games have provided a platform for athletes with disabilities to showcase their incredible talents and resilience. The Paralympics have grown in stature and significance, highlighting the importance of equal opportunities in sports. These games celebrate the achievements of athletes with disabilities. Each medal, each victory, is a story of overcoming adversity and defying the odds. The emotional moments on the podium are a powerful reminder of the strength of the human spirit. They showcase the power of determination and the human spirit's ability to overcome any obstacle. The Paralympic athletes' journeys are filled with challenges, but their unwavering resolve and passion for their sport drive them to excel. technology has also transformed the games. Innovations in technology have not only enhanced the performance of athletes, but have also revolutionized the way we experience the Olympics. From advanced training techniques to state-of-the-art broadcasting, technology plays a crucial role in the modern games. From underwater cameras to instant replay, we experience sport like never before. These technological advancements allow us to witness the intricacies of each performance, capturing moments that would otherwise go unnoticed. Slow-motion replays in particular bring a new level of appreciation for the athlete's skills and efforts. Timing systems are incredibly precise. The accuracy of these systems ensures fair competition and allows athletes to push their limits, knowing that every millisecond counts. This precision is crucial in determining the winners in events where the margins of victory are often razor-thin. New materials have revolutionized equipment. From lightweight running shoes to aerodynamic swimsuits, the advancements in sports equipment have enabled athletes to achieve new records and perform at their best. These innovations are a testament to the continuous quest for improvement in sports. The Olympics reflect our ever-evolving technological landscape. The venues themselves are marvels of modern engineering, designed to provide the best possible experience for both athletes and spectators. These futuristic arenas symbolize the forward-thinking nature of the games and their commitment to embracing innovation.